The cabin air filter in your 2021-2023 Chevy Tahoe is crucial for clean air inside your vehicle. It's located behind the passenger side glove box, not under the hood like the engine air filter. This filter traps dust, pollen, mold, exhaust fumes, and other airborne contaminants. Replacing it regularly maintains air quality, reduces allergens, and prevents HV clogging. Chevrolet part numbers are typically 841936555 or equivalent, with dimensions around 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Expert opinions recommend changing it annually or every 15,000 to 25,000 miles, especially in dusty areas. Start by opening the glove box. Push inward on the two plastic stops at the top to swing the glove box downward. The filter housing is now visible. Release the clips or tabs to open the cover. Remove the old filter, noting the airflow direction shown by arrows. Insert the new filter with the arrows pointing in the correct direction. Reassemble the housing and glove box. Test your HVAC system. This DIY process takes 10 to 15 minutes and uses OEM filters costing $15 to $30, improving air freshness and reducing repair costs.